Hey everybody, I was having a exposure issue on this camera, the Sony. Whether I was shooting a manual, automatic, whatever. And on video too, it was having issues with the overexposure. I was wondering what was wrong with it. And it wasn't the camera, it was me, operator fault. And the reason was the condensation dial. This thing was on release for this particular one. It was on +3, and I was like taking picture. Why are you using overexposed even though I put it on auto and it was still getting way overexposed. I was like, why are you getting overexposed? And because of I forgot that I was on +3. I was using it on nighttime and I forgot to put it back. My fault. And went on for over a week or so, like, what's wrong with my camera? I keep looking around, like, looking at the forums, like, what's wrong with my camera? Then I realized, hey, wait a minute, this thing was stuck on +3. So if you're having an overexposure issue, check the compensation dial here. That's probably the main reason why you have overexposure. Put it at 0. Alright, so that's it. If you're having problems with your camera, this one is a Sony. It's probably the compensation dial is way off. Right now 0. Alright, that's it. I hope this helps you guys. And if you have any questions, just ask, and hope this helped. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Mahalo.